Good morning. It looks like most of you have been able to enter your answers on this last page of our math assignments with no problem, but a few of you are getting frustrated and I feel really bad about that. So I'm going to take a video of what it shows from my view. Yours may be different. There are a few glitches in Google, so we'll see if this helps. As you've gone through this presentation, you may have put it on present mode, which is fine for when you're going through the slides, right? You could do this and you watch the video, you listen to me talk, you listen to me talk again, and then when you want to do your assignment, you're going to have to push escape to get out of this view because you can't do anything on this slide. This is really tiny, so I would go to view, zoom, and I might make it 100%, and then you should be able to double click here and get my cursor right there. Let me think. Centimeters to meters is 2 to the left, so this would be 0, 1, 6. And then I should click here, double click in the box to get a cursor, 0.45. And I would go along this way, 0.75, etc., all the way through. Don't worry if it doesn't allow you to fit the whole number in there. You can always stretch the text box. If for some reason this is not the view that you are seeing, and you are one of the very few people, I'm so sorry, that can't type in the boxes, you could always print out this last sheet of paper, or you could just look at it on your screen and write it on a piece of paper for practice for now. That would be fine. Don't feel bad asking me more questions if you're still not understanding, and I'm happy to help you out.